Hi, this is Soumya from Bar and Bench with a breaking news update on demonetization. The Supreme Court of India has dismissed a batch of petitions that challenge the central government's decision to demonetize currency notes of INR 1000 and INR 500 in 2016. A five-judge bench comprising Justice F. Abdul Nazir, B.R. Gavai, A.S. Bopanna, V. Rama Subramaniam, and B.V. Nagratna delivered the verdict today. In the majority's opinion, Justice Gavai stated that there was a reasonable nexus for demonetization and that it was not hit by doctrine of proportionality. He also noted that RBI does not have to bring in demonetization and that the notification is valid and satisfies the test of proportionality. However, Justice Nagratna delivered a dissenting judgment, stating that the central government's demonetization at the behest of central government is far more serious issue affecting citizens and therefore should have been done through plenary legislation. She also held that there was no independent application of mind by RBI in demonetization decision. The petitioner had raised the broad grounds for their challenge, including that the power granted to the government under Section 26(2) of the Reserve Bank of India Act to declare certain denomination as no longer legal tender is too wide and violates the doctrine of proportionality. The court addressed several questions of law raised by the petitioners, including whether the power granted to the government under Section 26(2) of RBI Act is ultra vires the Constitution, whether the government had the power to demonetize banknotes of all denomination, and whether the demonetization was a reasonable restriction to the right to hold and transact in property. The court also considered whether the demonetization was in public interest or whether the Reserve Bank of India had applied its mind independently before issuing the notification. The court's verdict comes after an hearing that lasted over 6 years and is likely to have significant implication for future cases involving the power of government to demonetize the currency. The decision has generated widespread reaction from various quarters, with some hailing it as victory of the government, while others expressing disappointment at the outcome. To read about this judgment in detail and other important legal updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.